everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the river from the 28th to the 2nd of July 2021 on Monday. Morena has a hard decision to make, and married life isn't what Zweli had hoped it to be on Tuesday. Zolani makes a shocking discovery and Morena battles his conscience on Wednesday. Something is going terribly wrong and Zweli can't figure out what it is. An old enemy decides to make himself useful to Cobra on Thursday. The Dikana's holiday will definitely be the one they will never forget. Morena makes a tough decision, but will he be rewarded for it on Friday? Morena's numbers aren't adding up, and Lindiwe's plan has some fallout she would rather not deal with. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.